Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today we are going to learn a simple but useful topic, comments. Now what are comments in SQL? Comments are used to explain sections of SQL statements which will be easier for people to understand what the snippet stands for or to prevent execution of SQL statements when they are commented. So in the longer run when we are doing modification to existing queries, sometimes we just want to exclude a certain portion of the code and execute the remaining statement. We can use comment for that also. Now there are two ways to use comments in SQL. One, use a double hyphen and anything after that becomes a comment. Or if you want to use multi-line comments, use forward slash asterisk, and after that whatever we give till the other asterisk and forward slash comes, everything will be commented out. So the difference between these two is this will only comment out a portion of the line, but this can be used for multi-line commenting. Now let's look at this in practice. Now here again I'm using the same statement. You can see region, bucket, number of invoices and average total. First we will see single line comment, how it can be done. So let's say I just want to exclude this portion. I have just hit a double minus and you can see the color has changed. It indicates that this is commented out, and let's look at the output. You can see now count of total has been excluded from the output. Now let's say I want to do a multi-line comment. I'm simply going to do this and this. Now since this is excluded here, I would also want to exclude it from my final output. There is a comma here, so I have to start here and end before the semicolon, and when I execute it you can see it's only region and their average totals. At the same time, let's say I'm just explaining this statement. Please note there is no semicolon here, so ideally this should also get executed. So when I execute, there is no error because this is not a SQL code. This is also a comment. Comments are very useful when you're writing long pieces of codes, when you're doing some kind of testing, etc. Just go through this again. It's a very simple, straightforward topic. That's it for this video. Thank you.